With a JD Metals fast frame structure, framing can be erected fast and easy. Walls are made to size and include door and window openings, as well as service holes for plumbing and electrical runs. This allows you to get the job finished with less tools than a standard wood-framed home. To get started, you will need a level. While not required, a magnetic level can be helpful, a tape measure, drill, Phillips head bit, 5/16 hex head bit, hammer drill and concrete bit for 5/8 inch anchors, caulk gun and adhesive for adhering the subfloor to metal, hole saw and bits for metal if you plan on adding additional holes in the bottom or top wall plates, and a pneumatic nailer if you choose to nail the subfloor and exterior sheeting. The house in this example is built on a slab foundation. Begin by placing foam seal between the concrete slab and the exterior 5.5 inch walls. Walls should begin at a 90-degree corner. Attach wall panels together using 6 No. 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws, 2 in the bottom, middle, and top of each connection. Continue adding wall panels in this fashion until you have completed all exterior and interior walls according to the plan provided. Anchor exterior walls to the concrete using the provided Simpson HTT4 and 5/8 inch Titan anchors. Anchor placements can be found on the hold-down plan. Attach to the wall by filling in all the holes with No. 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws. When adding posts, use the provided Simpson BC60 post-base brackets and 5/8 inch Simpson Titan anchors. Posts will need to be cut to size based on the amount of slope in your concrete. Porch beams are attached to the posts using provided RCA brackets and No. 12 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. Floor joists are then secured to the load-bearing walls using FCB brackets and 8 No. 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws. Here we are adding beams to support the stairs and landing. Outside risers will have scabs attached to them to allow for drywall and trim. Be sure to place the scab side toward the walls. Then attach the stairs to the concrete using Tapcons or similar concrete anchors. Secure the upper section to beams or joists using 4 No. 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws. Next, attach the subfloor using adhesive that works on wood and metal. Then screw or nail the subfloor to the floor joist using a pneumatic nailer. Continue adding the second-story walls using the same method as the first floor. Second story and first story walls are anchored to the floor joists using Simpson MSTA 49 strap ties. Secure them with 10 No. 12 by 3/4 inch truss head screws on each end. Refer to your hold-down plan for additional attachment locations and attach using FCB brackets and No. 12 by 3/4 inch screws on the vertical flange going into the stud, and No. 12 by 2 inch screws on the horizontal flange going through the subfloor and the top of the floor truss. Lay out trusses according to your plans. Trusses are secured with FCB brackets and No. 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws. Overhang panels are installed on top of the gable trusses and to the sides of the first common truss using 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws. Ensure to screw into both trusses. Porch trusses are then secured to beams using FCB brackets and No. 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws. Attach bird boxes to the front of the first common truss and to the end of the gable truss using number 12 by 3/4 inch hex head screws. Notched fascia supports are cut to size and added to the eave side of the home. Install provided bird box caps to finish the gap between the gable frames and the bird box panels. This house is now ready for sheeting. Strong and lightweight, fast frame structures from JD Metals meets the demand to build fast and accurate. Fast frame is the building method of the future, and the future is today.